Hi, welcome to the end of May. I just want to give an update from the EdTech team. On, some items that are going to be going out this month and provide a few resources. So the first thing I just wanted to communicate, if you noticed in the ticketing system, Hero, that you will be asked to put a category for your ticket. Now, this is just so that we can route the tickets better and have a better understanding what the ticket topics are. You should also notice that there are a reduction of topics available in the categories to try to make that simpler. In the next 2 weeks, you will also see an email around exiting staff and an email for staff who want to leave their devices with us over the summer. This will be sent out in an email. I'm also leaving the link for this form in the newsletter this month. So if you want to go ahead and fill that form out, we're going to have the 24th of June be the deadline for drop off of laptops. Now, if you are exiting the district, you should drop off in advance of that. Additionally, I'm including 2 forms. One is a request form for software that should be supported by a lead teacher. And I'm also encouraging people that if you have an IT project that you're planning on implementing, let us know about it as a summer project in the ticketing system. So please just let us know what you're looking to maybe have done. In the next week, we plan on a new member of our tech team starting to work with us. So I'll be sending out some communication around this new member next week. And plan for the next professional development day is some PD related to PowerSchool, the student information system that will be launched at the start of next year. Also part of this update, I've included 2 technology tips. One is a video about a tool named Kami, which allows you to make edits and annotations to PDFs and then share the document. You may be familiar with it, but if you're not, you can feel free to check out the video. And additionally, I'm sharing a link to a document that will assist you with better understanding how to convert and edit Word documents in Google and what some of the rules are. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check that document out. I'll include a link to both of these with this communication. So I hope you have a great end to your month of May and you have a great beginning to June start, and I look forward to connecting with you as we close out the year.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a very cool and very simple tool to help you edit PDFs and annotate them. It has a lot of great features with the free tool. I find it great for just some basic fixes. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with Google and it's going to request access to my Google account. And here I'm logged into Kami as a basic user. You can open a file in Google Drive, my computer, OneDrive, or the Kami library, or create a blank page, convert, or generate with AI. So I'm going to go to my computer and I'm actually just going to open up a PDF document that I just had generated. I'm going to do a new copy as I had just been editing a previous version. So to give you a little overview of what this tool does is it allows you to edit PDF files. So I've brought in this PDF file. It's already been formatted. It doesn't necessarily let you change the text per se of items that have been added to a PDF, but some basic things that it does let you do that can be very helpful. So you have basically a PDF. It could be a worksheet. It could be anything. I'm going to go ahead and hit the text tool. And what this will do is create a text box. So I'm going to add my name as the author. Here we go. Put that right here. Let's say I want it bolded. I can do that. Forward. I'll put my name as the author. So this text goes straight to the PDF. And you can also stretch and fit it to what you need and also change the size. So I'm going to do this. Let's say I want it a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to go save to Google Drive, and what it's going to do is going to take this version of the PDF with my edits and put it in Google Drive for me. Now, a few tools that are helpful for teachers, I added some basic free ones, is Read Aloud is paid, also the dictionary is paid, but there's a markup tool here, like a highlighter, a box highlighter, and a strike through and underline. So say let's do some strike through. That goes ahead and strikes through for you. Now I want to edit undo that. Up here, right? Hit undo. Now let's go do the box highlighter, and it kind of allows you to pick different colors and highlight text within a PDF. So kind of messed up my, well, let's undo it, and I'll select this area. Now that's highlighted. I also have an if I want to go in and find the color of something and choose that color as part of my highlighter, I can do that. Strike through, also underline. So let's say I like this text and I want to underline it. Do it, select the text, and then choose underline. Now the underline is that yellow color. I also have more colors here if I want to choose to use those. I also can do a comment. So let's say someone shared a PDF with you. Text comments, about the version you have a voice comment or a video comment or a screen capture. So I'm going to go ahead and just select this, and then here is my comment. And now I have a comment on this doc. So this can be shared within other accounts that have Kami. So text box, equations, that's part of a trial. If people are interested in trying that out as part of a free trial. Drawing tools, also here. You can see the protractor and some of these other additional are, more cost. But you have transparency and also stroke type. So you could do dots or even, different sizes for free, with the free, which can come in very handy if you wanted to kind of mark something up. Also shapes for free, triangle, circle, and ellipse. You want to add that, or do a line that is within the free version. And the paid is the polygon, but you'll see there's some great options. Just try rectangle, the ellipse, and the triangle. Here's the eraser tool. I have all annotations. You can erase those, and also drawings and shapes. So I can just go through and erase what I did. And then there is an AI question tool with the paid version. It's coming out. And then add media through paid, and also signature and paid. Now, an option for signature is also if you decided to just, box and draw your in a font. So if I did my name Daniel and I just decided to choose more of a scripty font, then they don't have a lot of great options for free fonts, but they do have some. Basically a basic signature if it doesn't need to be very picky with the font style. So just note up here the fonts. Some are paid, some are free. Different font sizes, biz, bold, italicized, underline, eyedropper, formatting, equations. You can link. Let's make this google.com, and then they'll let you save that link. And that's within the. So now, let's say I'm done working on this. I'm going to now go to, if I need to share it, this is a document link. I could share it through the link. I could also export it. I'll do a quick download. Shouldn't take long, and I'll open it. And now that PDF that I was working on is a downloaded PDF with the link and the edits that I made. And you can see that right in here. So just a cool tool to check out. Some great free features within Kami. If you need to do some edits to a PDF that you want to share with your students or others.